Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel and do subscribe the channel to see more numericals related to production function. Today's topic is we have to fill up all the blanks. And we have to complete this table. So let us first of all write down which are the formulae we are using in it. First of all, total production. Average production multiplied by quantity will be equivalent to total production, and this is quantity. For the calculation of marginal production, change in total production divided by change in quantity, and for the calculation of average production, total production divided by quantity. So at zero level of output, TP will be 0, MP 0 or AP 0. Then let us see how much calculations are given. First of all, TP is given. At first level of output, TP is given, which is 20. It means if we want to calculate average production, then total production will be divided by quantity. Total production divided by quantity is equal to average production. It means 20 will be here. Then here marginal production is given. Here AP is given. AP for the calculation, if calculation of TP, AP will be multiplied by quantity. It means if this AP will be multiplied by quantity, then we can get total production. It means this will be 22 multiplied by 3, it will be 66. And one more, here average production is given. Average production multiplied by quantity 6. So this will be total production 120. So we have filled up 3 columns. Next, marginal production denotes to change in total production. It means 20. If we sum up 22 with 20, 22 denotes to change in total production. It means 20 plus 22, it will be 42 total production. And when this total production 42 will be divided by quantity, then we can get average production. It will be 42 divided by 2, it will be 21. And similarly, the difference between 66 or 42, 66 or 42, the difference is 24. This will be the answer of marginal production. So marginal production is 24. And next, this is total production is given. If total production is divided by quantity, then we can get average production. 88 divided by 4, it will be 22. And then for the calculation of total production, this value 17, that shows the difference between total production. So 88 plus 17, that would be total production 105. 105 will be the value of total production, and whenever 105 total production divided by quantity, 105 divided by 5, it will be 21. Now all the values of total production that has been completed, all the values of AP that has also been completed. Then let us calculate the values of marginal production. So what is the change in between 0 or 20? That is 20. What is the change in between 42 or 20? We have already, that was given. Then 66 minus 42, 24. Then 88 minus 66, it will be 22. And last calculation is remaining regarding marginal production. Whenever, what is the difference between 120 or 105? That will be the value of marginal production. So in this way we can calculate all the missing values regarding this table. So we can calculate many more sums related to production function. So do subscribe the channel to see such type of numericals related to production function. Thank you.